2-bedroom, 2 baths, second-floor unit overlooking the pool and gardens, located in the desirable fountains at Countryside Condominiums. Open floor plan with modern cabinets and updates. The Fountains is a well-maintained gated community with a large pool, hot tub, fitness room, pet-friendly with gated dog run. The beautiful community clubhouse is perfect for gatherings and private functions. It offers a heated pool and spa, outdoor shower, guest restrooms, propane grills, fitness room, mirrored studio, clubhouse for the community-held events or private rental, car wash area, and recycling bins. Easy access to beaches and airports and close to shopping, restaurants and the bus line.